We're here. Good morning and happy Sunday to everybody. We're gonna try to catch some trout. We got some bait, we got some worms, some corn, and some tied up skein eggs. So we'll see what we can get. Hopefully we can get a couple and show you guys. Peace. This is basically all I'm gonna do with all these baits. Split shot, little hook, little float. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. I got a carp on. A big old carp on trout fishing here. Oh my God, he's going way up there. I doubt I'm gonna land this fish. I'm cooked. Yep, I'm cooked like bacon. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. It was a giant. I didn't have my camera out. He hit it there and I set the hook and it had to have been 30 inch. I mean, that was a 15-pound carp. Once again, 4-pound line, trying to finesse some trout. Oh well, let's get back out there. We did it. We did it, guys. We did it. Look at beautiful rainbow trout on the crank. I thought I saw one in here. Look at that guy. Nice looking fish. Alright, we're gonna get a quick measurement for you guys. I don't know, maybe he's 11 inches, 10, 11 inches. Right there. He's a foot. Exactly a foot. Right on the tail. Give you another look at this beautiful specimen. A little dirty, but look at that. Well, we're gonna bleed him and have him for supper. I won't show you guys that though. Beautiful fish. We got our trout chained up. Bleeding out. Smallmouth with it. Nice looking little smallie. I thought it was a trout. Had me fooled for a second. Alright, buddy, let's get you unhooked and ready to go. Got that in your jaw pretty good, huh? Oh, there it goes. Let's measure them just for the heck of it. Well, that's a fat, little smallie. Come on, buddy. Come on. At the nose, 9.5 inches. Look how fat that thing is. Nice looking fish. Oh, he was ready to go. Bye, bud. Got one. Got one. What is it? Another smallie? Sure is. Another smallie. Alright, buddy, let's try to get you unhooked here. There he goes. Another good looking fish. Alright, buddy. Let's send you back to your home. Alright, guys. We're at a spot a little closer under a bridge. I'm gonna get down there and hopefully you guys can see me catch a fish. We're completely underneath the bridge now. Let's see what we can get. See if there's any trout. Alright, please, there's gotta be some trout under here. Uh-oh. Got something. It's not a trout. Another smallmouth though. Smallies, 3 smallies. One carp snapped me off, and here we are catching smallies. 3 smallies and a trout. Not too bad. Oh, bye, buddy. Yep. All right. Broke off. Well, it didn't break off actually. The line slipped out of the eyelet. I went back to tie on, and I'm like, wait, what? There's still the knot, a little circle. So, got my net. I go down here and try to get maybe another trout or something. But it looked like I had a bite as soon as it hit the water, and then boom. So let's see if that theory is correct or not. Yep, it is correct, but I don't know what it is. Oh, a little sucker fish. That makes sense. Well, actually, this is a shiner, but... Hey, buddy. Bye, buddy. Let's get it back out there. That was quick, but it wasn't a trout, so... I have a feeling there's still trout. Right there. Sucker, shiner. That quick, huh? Those little guys are a great bait. Look at that. This is species number 3 on the day. Could have been 4, but carp got away. Cool looking fish. Bye, bud. Got one. Oh, that's a big old rock bass. Holy cow. Oh, I almost slipped off of that. Oh my gosh. That's a monster rock bass. On the spinner. Look at the size of that guy. That's amazing. Big one. Alright, buddy.